Do you know that you can use just these three things to dry your uterine fibroid? I'm going to teach you how you can use these things to help reduce the size of your uterine fibroid cyst. Hi, my name is Tochi and you are watching Tochi Fertility Channel. If it is your first time and you like what I'm doing here, please like and follow our page. Subscribe to this page to support what I am doing. So I have been receiving this question, ma. Is there any natural remedy that I can use to shrink my fibroid? Fibroid is preventing me from conceiving. Fibroid is making me to have heavy bleeding pains here and there. So I came across a video, a researcher, a medical practitioner who demonstrated how you can use this castor oil. What I'm holding in my hands is castor oil. This is organic castor oil, and this is also I think 85% castor oil. So if you want to do this remedy, please try and get organic castor oil, especially the one that is thick. I'm going to demonstrate it, the one that is thick like this particular one. I used it, this thing I want to demonstrate here, I did it when I had my first issue. I gave birth through C-section, so I used this thing to reduce the scares and also to help wash out bad blood from my system. So but this particular one, I use it on my hair and on my daughter's hair. So they have two purposes. Buy the one that is thick like this but organic. Don't buy Jamaica castor oil. Jamaica castor oil is only good for hair, but original organic bio castor oil is the best. So if you want to do this, so all you need, castor oil is very good medicinal. Naturally, it is the only oil that penetrates very well into your system. According to research, you can go and Google about it. You can go and make research. Whatever I'm teaching you here, I am not misleading you, but I'm giving you the accurate information. I must have seen somebody that it works for. I must have recommended it for people and it works for them before I will come and demonstrate it here. This reminds me, I made a video about food that you can eat that will help boost your fertility. Somebody is countering it, telling me that, oh, if we should stop eating all these things, then what are we going to eat? A lot of people eat all these things. They even smoke, drink, yet they are able to become pregnant. Now, the question you should ask yourself, some people are getting me angry, but I refuse to be angry. The question you are asking yourself now, you said others are eating it and they are becoming pregnant. You that is eating it, why are you not becoming pregnant? I told you several times that our body system differs. I am Tochi, my body differs from yours. We are not the same. Some people are just, will I say, lucky. Some people have over grace of God upon them. Whatever they do, it doesn't affect them. Haven't you witnessed a situation whereby an accident occur and other people die, one person will survive? Will you not say that? Why did those people die? It is the grace of God. So, and our system are not the same. Some people, their system can carry some certain things. It doesn't prevent it, but some. So I am here to teach you, to help you how you can become pregnant. If you think you don't like my teachings, please bye-bye. Don't provoke me with your comments, because if I am angry, you will not really like me. So back to my video. Castor oil. Use organic one. Castor oil penetrates very well in your system, and also it works effectively. It has been used severally to heal wounds, to reduce balls. So I'm going to show you how to do it. There are two methods that you can use to do this, anyone you choose. In fact, there was a time I made a video, I think it's in my YouTube channel, how you can use castor oil pack to, clean your uterus and also reduce janquitis or fibroid there. Somebody said she tried it once. This lady said if you see what came out of her body, that she was frightened. She need to call her husband to come and see by herself, and after that she became pregnant. So If you like my video, I am doing my best and God in heaven is blessing me. If you are here to criticize, if you are here to just be looking at me, especially those people that think they know me, they are here to peep. Oh, let's go and see what she's saying today. You will be here and I will not even say anything. So, how will you do this now? You get your very simple remedy. Castor oil is not expensive, very cheap everywhere. You can order it online, but I will advise you to go to pharmacies. Yeah, that is where you see the original castor oil. It's everywhere. Some people will ask me, what is the name? Can you tell? Don't buy my brand. Go to wherever you are. Go and buy your own. I am not selling this thing. I'm using it to teach. These two I showed you now is the one that I'm using. This one I'm using it in my hair and in my daughter's hair. This one I use it whenever I have ball or I feel like I want to cleanse my this thing. I will demonstrate it the way I am going to be demonstrating here. I like explaining myself so that people will not get me wrong. So all you need is get organic castor oil, the one that is thick like this. If you see it, it looks like cervical mucus. So get it. Then you get a pad. I don't have pad here because when I use this thing, I always get pad. Pad is not the one you use during your menses, or if you can get a white towel, something that is clean like this, small towel like this, then you can lay it on the table, lay it on a clean table. Then you take this castor oil, you spread this castor oil on it, spray it on it, leave the castor oil to sit about half an hour, that is 30 minutes. Leave it to sit 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, what you need to do is, depending on where you want to place it, if you are using it for cyst and fibroid, then all you need to do after this thing might have sit for 30 minutes, you bring it like this. I'm going to stand up. You place it in your lower abdomen. Place it in your lower abdomen like this. Then make sure you wear it. Use something that can tie it. That is why I say you should use pad. Use something that can hold this thing. Allow it to sit overnight. Leave it there to sit overnight. If you cannot carry it overnight, you allow it to sit for 5 hours so that the oil will penetrate very well and dissolve everything, every ball or any fibroid or cyst or even endometriosis. You can use this. The second method of applying this is the same method. So you can get this. This is hot water bottle pack or hot water pack. This thing is what I use when I give birth through cesarean. So what I do is that I will pour hot water here inside this thing. This thing is just like what will I call it? You boil hot water, pour it inside. Then after pouring the hot water inside, you bring the castor oil. You bring the castor oil, pour it in your hands like this. I'm wasting this. Pour it in your hand. Then you look for somebody, either your husband or anybody around you. They will massage your lower abdomen. Massage it very well. After massaging it, then you bring a towel, small towel like this. Place it there. You will lie down. You place it there. Then by then you have poured your water here. You keep your water like this. Use a blanket or any warm thing, cover yourself. Lie down for 45 to an hour. After that, you come out. When you go to toilet after doing this, you will see if you have any dirty, if you have any clothes, if you have anything that needs to be removed. Sometimes this thing might help to unblock fallopian tube. So you go and try it. I believe you guys understand me. I have tried. I have been trying. Even if nobody praise me, I am praising myself because I don't even know. Sometimes, some days I might not even have strength to talk. Before you know it, I see myself on the camera, which means it's the grace of God. So I am doing a very great job. And those people writing those things in my comment section, I have been blocking. I'm tired of blocking. These people that are posting their links upon my videos, you are looking for trouble. So go and do this and start giving testimony, and I believe that it will work for you. If you are new in my platform, you are welcome. Please like and share our videos, follow our page, and God will bless you.